Well, hello there, and good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area near Westtown Commons Shopping Center on Walker Road at University Village Apartments, getting ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days shortly. It turned out to be another hot summer day today. I had a few scattered showers in West Tennessee, but they were primarily down in Hardeman County, down around Bolivar and points south, and on down into northern Mississippi. We'll have an hour shot again tomorrow afternoon with a 20% chance at that point. More details on that coming. The heat index got on up there today. I'll go ahead and give you the climate summary and go from that point. At 5 p.m. here in North Jackson, the skies were partly cloudy. The temperature was 96 degrees. I'm sorry, messed up already at the beginning. 95 degrees was the 5 p.m. temperature. The heat index, or feels like temperature, at that time was 107 degrees in the shade, or about 117 degrees in the sun. The dew point was 75 degrees. The relative humidity was 53%. The wind was calm, and the barometric pressure was 30.05 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature was 74 degrees. Today's high temperature at about 5:10 p.m. was 96 degrees. The highest heat index at 5 p.m. or feels like temperature was 107. There it is. 107 degrees at 5 p.m. in the shade, or 117 degrees in the sun. So it got very warm today, obviously. No rainfall fell, of course, since midnight, not here at my location. The lowest humidity today was 51%. The highest would be 51% at 4 p.m. I forget to mention the time there. The highest was 100% at 12 a.m. The lowest barometric pressure was 30.01 as of 12 and 3 a.m. or at that time. The highest would be 30.10, and that occurred at 8 and 9 a.m. This morning. The highest wind gust today was 17 miles per hour out of the east, and that occurred at 2:40 p.m. Excuse me. Hold on. Doing it 2 times sometimes gets my throat a little dry. My first recording didn't work out too close. Hoping this one will. The sun sets tonight at 8:05 p.m. and rises tomorrow morning at 5:59 a.m. The moon will be setting tonight at 9:52 p.m. and rising tomorrow morning at 9:29 a.m. Today's records for July 25th would be 101 would be the hottest high, and 1952 the coolest high would be 82, and 1949, way back there. Warmest low would be 79, and that was in 1983, while the coldest low would be 56 in the year 2000. Today's rainfall record would be 2.39 inches, and that occurred in 1975. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and read you the forecast to you, and then go through the various maps and graphs that I normally give you. Excuse me. Starting off with mostly clear skies tonight, of course. Most of the rain is well south of Jackson and probably will stay away from us tonight and, well, most of tomorrow too. It's going to be mostly clear at least through tomorrow. generally fair might be a better term, since we will have some partly cloudy conditions from time to time. We do have a 20% chance of a few isolated afternoon showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. We did have that chance today, but they all formed south of Memphis, or excuse me, south of Jackson. Low tomorrow morning should be around 74 degrees. Tomorrow's high should be back up around 97. Another heat index advisory is in effect until 8 p.m. tomorrow evening. I'll show you that map in just a moment, but Madison County is included. Heat index should reach around 107, 107 or 108 again tomorrow, and that's in the shade, around 117, 18 degrees in the sun. We should have southwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour tomorrow. On Thursday, it's going to be fair skies until about noon, and then the skies are going to become mostly cloudy. Then we have a good 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms developing around 10 p.m. Thursday night on into Friday. We should have a low Thursday morning near 74 degrees, a high of about 96 degrees, but that 96 degrees won't feel as hot as the one tomorrow, thanks to the clouds, as of now at least. We should have west winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, and on Friday it's going to be mostly cloudy with a good 80% chance of some showers and thunderstorms ending toward Friday night around sunset and then becoming fair, with a low near 74 and a high of 86, with west winds at 10 to 20. And I'll give you a little hint, Saturday and Sunday both looks like it's going to be mostly clear, with lows down around 63, 64 degrees. Yeah, that's right, 63, 64 degrees, and highs right around 87, 88, 86, right along in there both days. So we've got some great weather coming up this weekend, and if you'd like to have the full 9-day forecast all the way through Thursday, August the 4th, you can go to my website, forecast website, at southjacksonweather.wordpress.com and read it from there, alright, if you'd like. Alright, let me go ahead and show you a few of these graphs real quick. I'll start off with the heat advisory. I almost hit the wrong button. Let me turn the camera around so you can see it also. This is the heat advisory for tomorrow that the National Weather Service issued not long ago. In orange, you can see the West Tennessee counties that are affected, or of course Madison, Shelby, Fayette, Tipton, Haywood, Crockett, Lauderdale, Dyer, Gibson, Lake, Obion, and Wheatley counties. And across the river in purple is what is that? Dangerous, excessive heat warning. That's what it's called. Over there, that's where heat indexes could reach 110 to 115 degrees. Over there, in that part of Arkansas. Okay. Well, once again, for Jackson and Madison County and the western half, it's a heat advisory from noon till 8 p.m. tomorrow for heat indexes or feels like temperatures near 105 to 109 in the shade, and of course Madison County is included. So I thought I'd show you that real quick. Alright, let me go ahead and show you the National Weather Service radar, let you see where it's raining now, and I'll go ahead and show you theirs. Right now in West Tennessee, the only rain is up there near Paris Landing, a little east of Paris, Tennessee. There's a little shower going on up there. It probably won't last long though. It kind of drifted down from Kentucky, but it's not going to amount to anything. That blue line there that you see is kind of like a wind, I forgot the word, that blows out from thunderstorms. But it's moving, or it may not be the wind, it may be a flock of birds. It's everything but precipitation, I put it that way. But it's moving in a weird direction there, isn't it? I don't think that's precipitation, that's something else. Now there is some scattered storms down there in Mississippi. They were huge a while ago, but they're dying down. There were some in Hardeman County down around Bolivar. They're gone. And that's really it for not too much in Arkansas now. You saw that brown area on that map while ago around Jonesboro. There was a flash flood warning for that area, so they had some heavy storms earlier, and now they're gone. So we're in good shape too here in Jackson, thank heavens. So, alright, there you go with that one. What's next? I'll go ahead and show you the frontal map, thanks to Weather Underground. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the frontal map view and radar view nationally. You kind of get an idea of where it's raining and where it isn't across the whole nation. As you can see, we have a sort of stationary front not too far north of us, right along Mayfield, Kentucky, roughly. And it's trying to move down our way, but it's having a little trouble thanks to that high pressure right there just south of Louisiana. But it's close enough to give a few of us a nice little good shower or thunderstorm here and there. As you can see, Florida is not too bad a shape precipitation-wise. Some down there, but not a lot. Otherwise, it's scattered showers out west. And there you see the various maps around the country. Most of the rain seems to be out west. A few around here, but not near as intense or widespread. Alrighty. The next one would be the regional map, I guess. This one is courtesy of AccuWeather. This is a moving satellite and radar combo of the southeastern United States. As you can see, where the clouds are and where some of the rain is in Florida. There in the middle part of Florida, you're in pretty good shape based upon this map. And there you see the clouds along the southeastern areas of the U.S. and where the rain is in them, associated with them, weather. And you can see a lot of clear skies around us as well. And here in Tennessee, not too bad. Got some clouds north of Jackson. We may get some of those here before too long, but they should dissipate before midnight anyways. And all, but other than that, Tennessee's in pretty good shape. I got a friend that's fixing to move right over there in central North Carolina in a couple of weeks. Looks like the weather's okay over there for right now, around the Raleigh, North Carolina area. But that's the satellite view for you, but not too bad a shape here in West Tennessee. Alrighty. I guess with that, I don't think I'm leaving anything out. I guess I'll just turn around and conclude it for today. Remember, tomorrow is basically going to be fair skies with a 20% chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm. It will be on an isolated basis. And other than that, that's what I have for you. Well, good night, everybody, and sweet dreams, and I hope to talk to you again soon. And until then, God bless you.